Hey guys, so this is Barracuda. I shot a big one the other day. This is the type of meat a lot of people are afraid to eat because of the dark color of it, but it is fresh, you can tell by the iridescence there. I'm gonna cook it up and see if I get sig poisoning. Not doing anything too crazy, I'm just scoring the meat. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on there, and the scoring does two things. It prevents the meat from curling too much when you throw it in the pan, and gets the seasoning down deeper into the meat. Butter. Seasoned Barracuda, all scored, on pan. I let it cook for about a minute and a half on each side, but you can already see it is starting to whiten. Now for the flip. Oh, now to transfer to a fancy plate. Boop. All right, now for the reveal and the bite. Yep, check it out. Not as dark anymore. Cooked just enough, you can see the meat is flaking off, and we're gonna go for the taste test. Here we go. Here's the Barracuda meat. Oh my god, crispy, crispy, crispy outside. That's awesome. The time is now 12:53. I'll be back in half an hour if I'm infected with sig poisoning. We should know by that. Alright, time is now 1:32. I am still alive and kicking. Decided to do it up. Put the Barracuda on a brioche bun, a little Havarti, and some baby arugula. I'm gonna eat the rest of this now. Later.